After ilang days, nakalabas din kami guys. Bibili kami sa tindahan ng chicken or fish siguro. Wala silang pasok ngayon kasi merong advisory na heavy rains. Second day na to na walang pasok sila sa school. Let's go. Where's your school, ganit love love? Show them your school. Go, walk. Where's your school? Yan yung school ni Mishka. Oh. Medyo safe naman dito sa daan guys kasi hindi ito main road talaga. Pag merong pasok, tsaka lang dumadami yung sasakyan na pumapasok dito sa aming daan. Careful! Tingnan niya. Yan yung aming daanan. Let's go. No, we are just going. Dito lang kami dadaan. Diyan sa labasan, merong nagtitinda ng isda. Then, dito na side, merong chicken shop. Chicken and mutton shop. Wait for mama. Merong isda akong nakita last time. Check natin. Fish stall. Fish. Dalawang klase lang ng isda yung meron sila. Mag-chicken na lang kami. Diyan tayo sa merong pulang banner. So we ended up coming here to Smart Bazaar kasi walang chicken doon sa tindahan malapit sa amin. So dito na side na lang ako bibili. Pero before that, bibili kami ng paneer siguro. Kung ano yung makita ko dito. Mishi, no! There, upstairs. This way, love, love. This way. With the, we'll just bring the small basket. We don't need that big trolley. What? We are not buying that. Let's go. Bili tayo ng cucumber. Go get bag na, love, love. We'll get cucumber. Go. Magbiling na kami. Yung mga binili lang naman namin is mga gulay. Meron silang labanos, so bumili ako. Magsinigang na lang kami for lunch. Ito yung mga napamili namin doon sa labas. Bumili ako ng 1.5 na kilo ng manok. Tapos, paneer. Tapos, meron silang broccoli guys. So, bumili ako kasi si Mishka ilang araw na siya nagsasabi, Mommy, I want to eat broccoli, egg. So, buti na lang meron silang broccoli. Ito. Labanos. Magsinigang ako for our lunch. So, bumili ako niyan. Green peas. Ang paboritong cucumber. Bell pepper. Eggplant. Maliliit na eggplant, guys, yung bilog. Ito naman, sweet corn. 2 piraso binili ko. Pang snacks ni Mishka. Hindi ako bumili ng okra kasi meron pa kaming okra bili nung isang araw ni Abhi. Ito yung ating pang sinigang. Maganda ngayon yung weather, guys. Mainit-init. Sumikat yung araw kanina. Nandiyan na yung electricity na brown out kasi. For the last 3 days na ulan lang ng ulan non-stop. And medyo nakakatakot nga kasi nagkaroon ng landslide sa Wayanad. Though part na siya ng Kerala. And kami dito sa Madikeri, part pa kami ng state ng Karnataka. Pero yung distance from Wayanad to Madikeri, nasa 3 hours away lang siya. And yung Wayanad kasi is parang hill station din siya. Like Uti, like dito din sa Coorg, dito sa Madikeri, hill station kasi kami. So parang nakakatakot and medyo marami yung nasa wake. So, this last 2 days talaga, parang nakakatakot yung pakiramdam namin. Yung isang Pinay nga na taga dito, yung asawa niya dito sa Madikeri, tinatawagan niya ako, nangangamusta si Ate Haya. Tapos tinanong niya kung saan kami banda dito sa Madikeri kasi may part din talaga dito na bumabaka. So, sinend ko sa kanya yung location namin. Tapos sabi ko, ate, i-check mo nga sa asawa mo if kamusta naman yung lugar na to, kung saan kami ngayon. Sinend ko sa kanya yung location namin.
Tapos, pina-check niya siguro sa asawa niya. Tapos, sabi ng asawa niya na okay naman daw yung area na to. So, hopefully, maging safe lang kami sa pagtira namin dito sa Madikeri. Parang, never ko na-experience yung ganitong pangamba, takot, na what if, dahil sa non-stop na ulan, ayoko na magsalita kasi ayoko. Medyo nakakatakot lang siya, guys. I leave everything to God na lang for our safety, protection namin dito sa lugar namin ngayon. Ang Diyos na yung bahala sa aming pamilya. But I just feel bad for doon sa mga tagawayan na taga-Kerala. Lapit na yung aking sinaing. And sa kabila naman is yung aking sinigang. Dito yung aking sinigang. Nalagay ko na yung labanos. Yung next ko na gulay is yung okra na lang. Ito lang naman yung dalawang gulay na palagi kong nilalagay sa aming sinigang. Ito lang talaga yung gusto kong gulay sa sinigang. So, okay na yan. Tapos, ito namang manok na to, imamarinate ko siya para mamayang gabi mag-chicken chili kami na Abi. Parang nung isang araw pa siya nag-suggest na mag-chicken chili and hindi kami nakalabas-labas ni Mishka para bumili ng manok dahil nga maulan and gabi na din sa Abhi lumalabas sa opisina, so hindi na siya nakakabili. So ngayon imamarinate ko to for our dinner later.
This section is for parents.
Look at you, you with your emerald eyes like fields of green I've never seen before. They take my breath away. I'm not one to lose my words, but baby, I don't know what to say. You can't begin to imagine what it's like. The way you make me feel so seen and scared at the same time. It's hard to believe that you're mine, 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 oh mine. You're mine, you're mine, mine, you're mine. In my life, baby, don't need much. A little bit of sun, a lot of your love could never make me sad. When you look at me like that, and even when I'm spinning out of control,
Bakit itong
when I'm waking up, nothing matters at all. My worries fade to gone.
ito pa yung nabili namin kamatis guys, 3 kilo.
Look at you, you with your emerald eyes like fields of green I've never seen before. They take my breath away. I'm not one to lose my words, but baby, I don't know what to say. You can't begin to imagine what it's like. The way you make me feel so seen and scared at the same time. It's hard to believe that you're mine, mine,
Ayan, luto na yung aming sinigang guys. Pakakainin ko na muna si Mishka. Ayan. You don't know the number? Okay, I will help you. Masyado akong na busy sa aking paglilinis. Pagka-arrange. Naantok na pala siya dito sa aming dining. Subukan ko na lang para mabilisan.
Elephant nose so big.
Yeah, that is mommy elephant.
Look how
Yeah. You like sinigang? Yes. Sabi ni Mishka sa akin, guys, Mommy, why you're wearing black dress? What's wrong with black dress, Mimi?
yes,
Huh? What's wrong?
one more, one more.
Maghanda na tayo for dinner. Yung aming chicken, yung lutuin ko. Sabi niya sa akin, Mommy, today is my birthday. What? Huh?
It's my pizza.
Pizza. Okay. Kanina kasi, yung hinanda ko sa kanya for breakfast is pizza. Pero yung ginamit ko is yung wheat flour.
Tapos nilagyan ko ng pizza sauce, cheese, ganyan. Pwede lang pala siyang gawin, guys. Ngayon ko lang na-discover na pwede ko palang gamitin yung wheat flour para medyo healthy kumpara sa all-purpose flour. So, pwede ko yung gawin para sa kanyang baon sa school. Nilabas ko na yung aming chicken. Ito yung ating lutuin. I-deep fry muna natin. And yung gravy, hintayin ko na lang sa api. What's that?
I like to make pizza.
Pizza?
Today's my birthday.
Today is your birthday. Okay.
Don't celebrate my birthday.
Huh?
You don't celebrate my birthday.
Ana?
You don't celebrate my birthday.
We're going to celebrate your birthday. Okay. So, I'm going to cook chicken for Mishka's birthday.
No cake.
Huh?
You don't make cake
We're
on my
good.
birthday.
Cake? But we don't have banana.
Okay, let's don't make chicken.
Tomorrow we'll buy banana so we can make cake, okay? Gusto niya, everyday, birthday niya. Kailangan namin mag-celebrate everyday. Pero yung kakantahan mo lang naman siya ng happy birthday, sobrang fascinated siya ngayon sa birthday celebrations, ganyan. Kasi never pa naman yung na-experience na mag-celebrate kami. Tapos, nung umattend nga kami ng birthday ng pinsan niya, tapos mga, ano ba, mga ibang mga occasion na ina-attend na namin na akala niya siguro parang birthday celebration kasi may mga bisita, ganyan. So, sabi namin ni Abhi, itong birthday niya, pag mag 4 years old na siya, magse-celebrate kami na mag-iimbita kami ng mga friends niya. Gustong-gusto talaga niya yung magse-celebrate ng birthday niya. Kasi sabihin niya palagi sa akin, Mami, I will wear my pretty dress for my birthday. Ganyan. Ganyan siya yun. Sabi ko, hintay-hintay lang. May ilang buwan pa before your birthday. Magsasaing na ako before ako magprito. Ang gagamitin ko is crispy fry. Ito na lahat yung aking chicken. Fully coated na siya. Dito na ako magpiprito. Thank you. What's that? Oh?
Wait, no. Let me help you.
You don't need to help
Let
me.
me say color.
Aww, it's okay, love. Super thoughtful nito mga anak ko, guys. Kapag may ginagawa ako, parang alibay niya na ba? Excuse niya na makatulong sa akin. Let I help you, Mommy. You're so tired. Ganyan yung ganap namin ngayon palagi. Pero pag nagluluto ako, hindi pwede. Pag naghuhugas ng pinggan yan, lalapit yan siya, tapos makikisali-sali. Let me help you, Mommy. You're so tired. Ganyan siya. Ngayon, gusto pa sanang tumulong. No. Kasi mainit-init ang aking oil. Try ko yung maliit. Kayong sa amin ni Abhi, hindi pa ako tapos guys, nagpiprito pa lang ako, third batch. Pero ito kay Mishka, mauna na muna siyang kumain kasi pumapapak-papak na siya ng fried chicken. Ito yung sinigang namin kanina, yan yung kanyang sabaw. Natapos ko na yung prito. Andito na yung aking mga ingredients and dumating na din sa Abhi, sabi na tapad na siyang maghintay pa na maluto ito. So, ito na lang yung ulam namin, fried chicken. Instead na gagawin sana naming chili chicken. You can't wait anymore? We'll eat na lang. Wala nang time. Napakain ko pa kasi si Mishka before dumating sa Abhi. So, fried chicken na lang for tonight. Come on. You want to eat with Mom and Daddy? I was wearing this off-shoulder blouse and it was falling like this earlier. And Mishka was feeling bad. Mommy, you're dressed. she was fixing my top. Mommy, you're dressed. She's feeling bad that my dress is falling off. I feel like now we have adjusted with the weather, Han. It's not too much cold anymore for me. At first, it was so cold, as in, foggy pa naman hanggang ngayon. But now I feel like we have adjusted already.
Tambak yung aking tiklopin. And ito mga second batch. Ginawa na talaga naming laundry area ito guys. Hanging area. Kasi hindi kami pwedeng magsampay dun sa labas. Ito yun na.
What's happening in my mouth?
It's coming out. Go check there.
What's happening?
You with your emerald eyes like fields of green I've never seen before. They take my breath away. I'm not one to lose my words, but baby, I don't know what to say. You can't begin to imagine what it's like. The way you make me feel so seen and scared at the same time. It's hard to believe that you're mine, 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 oh mine. You're mine, you're mine, mine, you're mine, oh mine, mine. In my life, baby, don't need much. A little bit of sun, a lot of your love could never make me sad. When you look at me like that, and even when I'm spinning out of control.
Did you watch my video? Like, subscribe, and press the button.
Good night,
Good
everybody.
night, everybody.
See you tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Say, I have class tomorrow.
I have class more.
I have to go school tomorrow. Ayun yung mag- Are we going to school tomorrow? Why? Good night, everybody.
Good night, everybody. Stay tuned on my video. Yaki.